Hello again. Here we are, and we're going to be talking about gathering building block information. So your quest is to prepare the material in advance and save it. But it's also when you run across something new and interesting or have to update, make sure you do that right away. Because in having to write the release, or inserting the information into a release or an invitation to cover, there's nothing worse than having to generate it in advance. And that's really one of the purposes that I'm trying to do is to have you gather this information, present it to the executive director or whomever, the marketing person, and say, will you review this and make sure that everybody is correct, that everybody's name and title is correct? And so you've got it. I mean, you've got almost everything that you're going to need. Where to search for these materials? Well, there's information in the strategic plan, the website, newsletter, statistics, background, interesting factoids in a newsletter. They're all over the place. And so you're just going to have to cut and paste and save it as what it is. For instance, who you are. Well, that information could be in the strategic plan, could be in the website or on the website, in a newsletter. It could be a concise sentence that says, well, you are so and so and so. And there's statistics. How many nurses, how many diagnosticians, over and over again. So those things are saved because you can put it in a background. You can look at interesting factoids because they're going to want to be saved and then used in about your organization. So don't overlook it. Other needed information that you're going to have to find is who is going to be the contact person, their name, their phone number, and email address. It may be you. It may be that the executive director wants to be the contact person. And so save in a file that says contact person, name, phone number, and email address. Make sure it's correct. Then we have a spokesperson. So you're not the contact, you may be the contact person, but not the spokesperson. And so the spokesperson could be the executive director, could be the board, the chairman of the board. So that person's name, title, and contact information is to be saved.